Just turn it on by pressing start. I already had it on, so we're going to turn it on by pressing start. It will automatically start at 0.5 miles per hour. That is the lowest speed that it can go. If you do happen to turn off the system and you were at, let's say 1.0, and you turn it back on within about 20 minutes, it will come on that speed. So that is super nice. But just a reminder for that in case you were running and then just abruptly turned it off. But hopefully that's not the case, because you should not just run and turn it off anyways. You should do like a cool down. So we're going to increase this. There's a plus sign here. We're just going to speed it up. There is 12 different programs, and you can set the programs. It automatically pops up for 30 minutes for each program, but you can adjust the time with the plus or minus right here. I'm going to show you up close here in a minute. And it does come with 2 lubricants. So before you start your activities on this, you want to lubricate the belt. You do the bottom of the belt, and then you do the top of the belt, and then you let it run. And all of that information is right here in the manual. And there's also a really nice to adjust the running belt and everything. What's really cool and nice is you're gonna take your camera and put it up to these QR codes in the manual, and it actually will give you a video of all of this. If you want to do and watch more in depth, you can do that. So there's a video for the silicone oil, and then you want to adjust the running belt adjustment. There is videos for these as well. So lots of good information in this manual that comes with. Another cool thing I really liked is that this one comes with little square pads so that you can put underneath. If you possibly have this on hardwood floor or another type of flooring and you don't want it to get indented by any means, depending on what type of flooring you have, or you don't want your carpet indented, you can put these underneath all the corners and all the parts that the weights go on. So you're gonna get 6 of these for all the points. Now I'm gonna show you up close the machine so you can get a little more familiar with it. So here's where you're gonna do the adjustments for the incline. It is a manual adjustment. It goes from 0, 6, and 12 degrees. And it is super easy to adjust. You just pull the pin out and then raise it slightly. I would actually stand behind it, like from right here, like this, and then raise it slightly, lift it up, and put the pin back in. And there is one on both sides. Now, for folding it up for storage or anything like that, you're just gonna grab here and you're gonna lift up. There's this little bar right underneath, and you're gonna push it all the way up. You heard that little click. I don't know if you heard it, but there was a click there, and that is this part right here, clicking it and locking it. So this is the angle it will be put up at for storage. So it's like a little V, and then you have the feet here. So if you want to move it around or anything while it's put up, you can do that. To undo it, and it's a little click, and then it's like a hydraulic pump. You're just going to raise it down, and it actually doesn't just slam down. You can actually let go, and it slowly lowers. Super nice feature. All right, and then you're going to have obviously the stop. If there's an emergency, you will have this part clipped onto you. Here is that lubricant up close. All right, and then up here is all of the program options here. There's 12 of them. You don't actually click these buttons. You're actually going to click the program. It'll say P01. That'll be this program, and it goes all the way to 12. Once you pick the program, you're just going to hit, here's the time. If you want to change that time, it shows 30 minutes currently. You would take the decrease and just change the minutes, and then you would hit start. And it's going to start running that program. Now keep in mind, you can activate Bluetooth on here, and you would just go into your Bluetooth on your phone, and you will sync it and link it up, and then you can run off of the speakers right here. So I'm not actually going to play any music linked on it, just because if I do, it will get probably muted out for copyright reasons. So but they are right here. And then you have nice big cup holders, can fit a nice big bottle in there. And there's also a little dip right here, angled, for you to put your phone or an iPad or a Kindle or anything like that while you're working out. So I just want you to also see the fastest it will go is 8.5 miles per hour. And again, the slowest is 0.5 miles per hour. So it is starting to go right now. It's going very fast. I'm gonna turn that off. Let's just to show you, we're gonna pull the safety and it slowly starts slowing down and stopping. Another great feature with this treadmill is right here, these two on both handles is the sensor for your heart rate. You'll put both hands over it just like that, and then it will start reading it. A little heart icon will pop up and flash here while it's thinking and calculating your heart rate. It's also going to have 8 silicone shock absorbers, which a lot of other treadmills out there don't have that many. And it has 2 silicone cushions, which are these right here. And these are also shock absorbers. And then on the other side, there's some as well. And then there's these wheels here. When you're lifting it up, like when we had it at an angle earlier, and you want to move it around the house, that's what you would be wheeling it on, these right here. Overall, I really like this treadmill. I love the fact that the motor is pretty quiet. I mean, you've seen it going on 8.5 miles per hour, and the motor was not loud. So that is really nice to have if you happen to live in an apartment or somewhere where you can't be really loud. They also have these QR codes right here if you need or lose the manual or for the app for Bluetoothing or some of the app features that can do tracking for distance and everything like that.